Observe the texture, absolutely pristine.
Recording the metrics now. Remarkable specimen.
Once the eggs are laid, she carefully covers them with vegetation, protecting the clutch from predators and regulating the temperature. Handle the eggs gently. Use the non-toxic marker to apply the 3 dots, then place them carefully into the labeled crates.
Lot number 4 confirmed. Ensure the tracking label is applied correctly.
Yes, scanning now. All documentation is up to date.
Lot number 4 confirmed on the manifest.
Verified. Scanning the barcode now.
Weight checks out at 25.3.
Skins are preserved by heavy salting and freezing in industrial freezers. Palletized, labeled crates are loaded onto trucks and transported to the tannery.